a toxic person does not know the meaning of accountability.
Yeah.
For me, a toxic person does not acknowledge their mistakes. They tend to gaslight people into thinking na sila yung tama, ikaw yung mali, may problema sa'yo, sa kanila wala.
That's true.
Feeling ko yon. And for me, a big word that comes with a toxic person is, wala talaga silang accountability. Hindi nila aminin na mali sila.
Oh, yeah.
If you want to unfollow those people, do it. Normalize unfollowing toxic people. It's okay. Dapat walang weight yan. Hindi porket pamilya mo yan. Hindi porket kaibigan or someone close to your heart yan. Kung toxic behavior yan, you're allowed to let them go.
That's true.
You're allowed to remove them from your life. Because buhay mo yan eh. And if it affects you, if it affects your life, if it affects your family, like, para sa akin, it's okay to remove those kinds of people in your life. Because hindi naman magbabago yun unless they change. If you keep welcoming toxic vibe and toxic energy in your life, you're eventually going to be toxic. Narcissists and toxic people also tend to blame others for their mistakes.
Oh, yeah.
And make it seem like it's their fault dahil sa'yo.